Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative and welcome to my channel. I am here today with a little project share. I had shared in a previous video that I had got some information that I had got some product from Craspire. So I did an unboxing and they sent me $40 worth of product, and what I got was this multi-pack of wax melts. I got this head, which is a stamp head, square shape. And then I got this round scroll and pen set, which reminds me of my other channel, his Scribe, where I do my scripture writing. So I thought this was a perfect stamp head for that, as well as like for Happy Mail, because it's about writing letters or whatever. And then I got this. So with that, I decided to come up with a project, and I wanted to use the square one. Just because, you know, I don't get a chance to use the square one too much. I never got to use the square one. So I didn't want, even though this is a stamp one, looks like some leaf and it has the number 35 and 32 in the corner like a postage stamp. I wanted to use it a little different. I didn't want to put it on the envelope, so I was trying to think, what can I put it on? So what I did was I put it on some dangles that I already made. Just like a charm. So here's some little ribbon dangles that I made, and here's a brown one, as you can see. And so I use it as a ribbon dangle. Here's another one, and these all have the little hooks on them. And these can be added onto different projects. The side of a mini album, on a tag. Sliding out of my hand. So yeah, and they color coordinate nicely with all of my different ribbons. And the next one, I just stuck it on the side of one of my pokey tools that I had made. And so this one again is on the dangle, and this is in black. But you can stick it on the side as a dangle on a pokey tool. And of course you can stick this on the side of anything like a tassel. So that was just another way to use your wax melts, is to use them as if there are beads in a dangle or on your pokey tool. So these are really fun, quick, and easy to make. And you know, you can do all kinds of things with your little wax melts. So anyway, check them out below. Their links will be below to all the products that I use, as well as their channel. And you can use Craspire 5 to get Craspire. I put my code in the description box. You can get $5 off of 40. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.